As the kids would say, we have been riding around and getting it. So what I'm about to show you guys is the new whip that we are adding to the Caravan at our denture and partial lab. So you guys that follow the channel know that we do same-day dentures and partials at our lab on the Grissom Air Force Base, and we're really excited to be able to add another reliable car to the fleet. We only have one right now, and it's as you guys know, that old Chrysler Sebring that we were able to find to just kind of get us by. Well, over the weekend we found a 2004 Buick Lucerne that just purrs, baby. I mean, this thing's nice. Leather interior, really well maintained, one owner. It does have 100,000 miles on it, but I think with the way this thing was taken care of, I think we'll get a number of really good years out of it. And I do want to show you guys kind of the inside of this, as well as it's another little time capsule. But again, really well maintained, and the car is just smooth, man. It floats. I love being in these wide seats. It's got the wide captain seats, leather interior. Check out that beautiful wood grain, baby. OnStar for the kids at home that are too young for that you're looking at some OnStar there. So again, it's a little bit of a time capsule, but for what we need of just getting our offices and patients those same-day services and those awesome dentures and partials that the Alina and the crew make, again, this car just really, it fits a great purpose. So we were really excited. Knock on that wood grain that we do get a couple good years out of it, but I wanted to show you the fun that we got into over the weekend, and stay tuned for more.